Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today we're going to make a marvellous chicken curry with vegetables and coconut milk. Delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So let's take a look at the ingredients that we have for this beautiful chicken vegetable curry. So I've got chicken there, 1 kg of chicken parts, so there's some wings, drumsticks, thighs, whatever in there. Bone is in, skin is on. Potatoes, carrots, mushrooms, and I'm using these lovely little eggplants today. I'm going to cut them. I didn't want to cut them now because they discolour quite quickly. So onion, curry leaves, fresh curry leaves, if you can get them, they're really delicious. Garlic ginger paste. Our whole seeds here, we've got cumin seeds, a little bit of cinnamon and dried chili. And then the big four, always call this the big four. So we're talking about turmeric, chili, coriander, and cumin powder, equal parts of. We're going to be starting this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt, and for sure we're going to be adding some coconut milk. I'll show you that in a moment. Okay, so I've got some oil in here which I'm getting nice and hot. I'm using a sunflower oil. If you want, use something completely different, up to you. Maybe a coconut oil would be nice in this. There's a little bit of cinnamon. Here's some dried red chili. And there's some cumin seeds. Just a few seconds in hot oil, let them infuse that. It's going to give it a lovely flavour. Don't skip this part. Very, very simply, we're next going to drop in our chicken, which might be a bit noisy. Let's get that in. So yeah, that was noisy, wasn't it? Okay, so we're going to, on a high heat, cook our chicken for about 5 to 6 minutes, obviously stirring it often. Okay, that's 5 or 6 minutes. We've got some nice colour on this. Help it on its way, it's nowhere near cooked yet. Okay, I'm now going to drop in those fresh curry leaves. Like I say, if you can get them, they're really, really delicious. And our onion. So we're going to stay on this high heat, and I'll see you in about 3 minutes. Again, keep it moving around. Okay, fantastic. Now, I'm going to drop in our potatoes and our carrots. Now if you're using like celery or something, another hard vegetable, you'd get that in now. Get some salt. And I'm going to go for another 4 minutes again. Keep it moving around. This is going to be absolutely delicious. Fantastic. So basically what we're doing is we're adding our hardest vegetable in first to give it a head start. But those eggplants, I'm using those little ones, and I've just cut them down the middle, and I've actually kept the stalk on. We're also now going to add in our garlic ginger paste, like a tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. And we're going to go now for about another 4 minutes. I've only got one more vegetable to add, that's the mushrooms. See you then. Right, I'm ready for my last vegetable. Like I say, I'm using some mushrooms, cauliflower, zucchini, bell peppers, and all work in this. Didn't show you this earlier on, but a little bit of optional fresh chili. I love that in there. 3 more minutes, keep it moving on this high heat. We're really on our way now, not long. Okay, time for some spices, here we go. So, just to run over them again, turmeric, chili, coriander and cumin, equal parts of. Always call that the big four. If you're regular to the show, you'll know that. If you wanted, use some, curry powder that you've got. But for me, the separate spices, really make a big difference, unless you've just made yourself some beautiful homemade, fresh, roasted curry powder. I love that. Right, here we go. Coconut milk. I've got about 500 ml here. And that goes. I'm going to lower the heat, not to a simmer, but above a simmer. I'm going to get a lid on this, and I'm going to cook this for about 8 or 9 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. This is looking fab. Okay, off goes the heat, and off comes the lid. Let me get a load of steam out of there for you. That is looking beautiful. I'm going to finish this off with some fresh cilantro or coriander. And a little garam masala powder. 1 or 2 pinches of that. Beautiful. Well done, everyone. You've got yourself a fantastic chicken, coconut and vegetable curry. Please do give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, say hi, we'd like to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We will see you soon. Lots of love.